Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about AWS EKS, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. It is provided by AWS. EKS is managed like a Kubernetes service provided by AWS. It helps us to run containerized applications without managing Kubernetes manually. It is highly available and it is scalable. Why Amazon EKS is needed? Managing Kubernetes is manually is difficult. High its setup is like a highly complicated and security patching manually is very risky. But when it comes to EKS, it is going to be managed by AWS. Scaling cluster is also easy and operational overhead is also high. EKS simplifies Kubernetes operations. Amazon EKS architecture. Amazon EKS has two main parts. The first is the control plane, which is fully managed by AWS and distributed across multiple availability zones. The second is the worker nodes, which can be EC2 instances or AWS Fargates, where our application pods run. In control plane, we have API server, scheduler, control manager distributed across multiple availability zones. Worker nodes, it's managed by the user. It can be EC2 instance or forgets. Key features. AWS EKS provides automatic upgrades and patching, built-in high availability, strong security using IAM and native AWS networking support. Because of these features, EKS is stable for enterprise DevOps workloads. Real world use cases. We can use EKS for deploying the microservice applications. Here we can set up CI/CD like platforms. It can manageable with the high traffic also. We can generally use this as for enterprise DevOps workloads. Thank you.